Recently, Bangladesh witnessed an undemocratic takeover of power as Sheikh Hasina was forced out of her country. Allegations have been raised of this being a scheme orchestrated by the US deep state. Now, what if I tell you that the same people might be coming after ruling NDA government in India? In recent days, the activities of US diplomats have been particularly suspicious, with many raising serious concerns over envoys meeting Indian opposition leaders such as AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi. Now, a recent report by Sputnik India claims that the US might be trying to influence TDP chief and Andhra Pradesh CM Chandrababu Naidu to leave the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance. The Sputnik India quoted intelligence sources which said they may also use the Andhra Baptist Church under the patronage and financial support of American Baptist Church to apply pressure on the CBN to switch sides. The Andhra Baptist Church is the biggest tool in the CIA's pocket right now to be used against CBN. CBN here is also being used for Chandrababu Naidu, who is currently in alliance with the Bharatiya Janata Party. Interestingly, just a month ago, the US Consul General Jennifer Larson, who heads the American mission in Hyderabad, had met Andhra Pradesh CM Chandrababu Naidu. It must also be clarified that such meetings are part of routine affairs of foreign diplomats. It could just be a normal meeting, so why fear? But then it must also be pointed out what happened to Sheikh Hasina in Bangladesh. A leader who was elected to power through democratic means was forced to leave her country and position through brute force and mob rule. Even if what happened in Bangladesh seems impossible to replicate in India by any external power, one cannot rule out an ally leaving and plunging India into political instability. Central government would be in trouble if an important part of the NDA such as Chandrababu Naidu's Telugu Desam party leaves the alliance. And what happens after that? Another political alliance comes to power which will favor US interests more than anything. Even if there is no dissolution of the current dispensation, the US might still use NDA allies as leverage with the Indian government for favorable outcomes in diplomatic negotiations. In any condition, this will be a serious concern for our national interest, and the Indian government should closely monitor these diplomatic meetings to ensure that at least one nation in South Asia remains politically stable.